Alright folks, I know it's been a while, but we're finally out here going to get the E-flite Timber X out for our maiden flight. Let's see how this does. Now, I went out to the Spektrum website and downloaded the pre-built profile for the Timber X full span. watch these ailerons. Look at that. And then, yeah, we still have flaps. I've never dealt with that before. This is going to be interesting. Now, what I did have to do is I had to move one of my aileron plugs over to channel 5. It was pre-configured for channel 5. You'll notice that my lights aren't on. That's because I'm using a 6-channel receiver, and I ran out of ports, so couldn't plug the lights in. We'll figure that out later. Yeah, let's get her out there. We're gonna see how she flies. It's getting a little breezy, but hopefully it'll be okay. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with her today. We'll just try to fly her and see how she does. So let's go. This is for the whole enchilada with this plane. Let's do this. Oh, she flies nice. Yeah, it's almost more than I want. Damn it, I need one. I want you on camera thing. How did you go? Come on. I don't know what I'm doing. Like, this is not my style of plane. You know why it's gonna love that. The problem is I feel like I'm stalling when I do it because I'm not used to this style of flight.
Your extra out here, under there.
We'll do it right here.
I love it.
Well, folks, it's about to rain, so we got to wrap this up. This is a fun plane to fly. It's not really my style, I'm not gonna lie. You know who's gonna love this plane? Wyatt is gonna love this plane. Jared's already said he's got to get himself one, and I don't disagree. It's not my style of flight, but dang gum, I'm gonna learn it for this bird. If you're into just doing crazy stuff, give this a shot. You won't be disappointed. Until next time, keep flying.